Hi everyone, I am Shubham. I am Master Teacher at Vedantu. We are discussing JEE Advanced 2020 Paper-1 Mathematics, and the question for this video is this. Let small m be the minimum possible value of log base 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3, where y1, y2, y3 are real numbers for which y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 9. Let capital M be the maximum possible value of log x1 base 3 plus log x2 base 3 plus log x3 base 3, where x1, x2, x3 are positive real numbers for which x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 9. Then the value of log small m cube base 2 plus log capital M square base 3 is equal to what? So this is a numeric type question. In this question, we will be using a very popular concept, EM greater than equal to GM twice. Now, to comment upon the minimum value of this expression, if I explore the minimum value of 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3, that would lead me to the value of a small m. So 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3. If I use EMGM on these three terms, I can say sum of these three terms divided by 3 is greater than equal to product of these three terms. So in product, the powers will add to the power 1 by 3. This expression is equal to 3 to the power y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 9. So 3 to the power 9 whole to the power 1 by 3 is 3 to the power 3. Basically, it is 27. So here I can say 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3 is greater than equal to 3 multiplied by 27, which is 3 to the power 4. The minimum value of this expression is 3 to the power 4. So the minimum value of this expression, log base 3 of this whole thing, would be 4. So that means I get small m equal to 4. That essentially means this term of the expression log m cube base 2, basically this will be log 4 is 2 square, so 2 square to the power 3 is 2 to the power 6 base 2. So basically it becomes 6. Now I just need to explore capital M and find this value, and I need to add them to get my final answer. Now to comment upon capital M, it is given that x1, x2, x3 are positive real numbers whose sum is 9, and I want capital M, which is maximum possible value of log x1 base 3 plus log x2 base 3 plus log x3 base 3. Again, I will be using EM greater than equal to GM. First of all, what this expression is? This expression essentially is log x1, x2, x3 base 3 using property of logarithm. Now, if I can comment upon the maximum possible value of x1, x2, x3, I would get this value capital M. So here, if I use EM greater than equal to GM, or you may say GM less than equal to AM, so I would get x1, x2, x3 would be less than equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 9, 9 by 3 is 3, 3 to the power 3. So that means the maximum possible value of x1, x2, x3 is 3 to the power 3. So the maximum possible value of log x1, x2, x3 base 3 would be log 3 to the power 3 base 3, which is essentially 3. So here I can say capital M is 3. Now what I want is log capital M square base 3, which is essentially 2. So that means this expression is 2, and this expression just now we have found out to be 6. So my final answer would be 6 plus 2, which is 8. A very simple question, a question that you should not have missed if it would have come in your exam. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for the next question.